Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the phone is unlocked and the screen recorder is running. Once done, swipe down from the top to reveal Quick Settings. Tap the gear icon to open Settings because stopping recording often lives in either the Notifications or Sound and Vibration area on many Android builds. Make sure you know whether you used a built-in recorder or a third-party app. That determines the next steps. Once in Settings, go back to Quick Settings. Swipe down again and locate the screen record tile. Tap the stop icon to end capture immediately. If you started recording from the notification shade, pull down and tap stop on the active recording notification, and the system will finalize the file. If you used a third-party recorder, open that app and press its stop control, because some apps require their UI to finish processing the video. After stopping, go to Photos or your Files app to confirm the video saved. Play a few seconds to verify audio and visuals. If there's no file, make sure the recorder has storage and microphone permissions, then stop and restart the app, because permission issues often block saving. If the recorder freezes, force stop the app or reboot the phone, and as a last resort, reinstall the app to clear any corrupted temporary data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.